नमस्कार, तुमचे सगळे प्रेस गोवाचे हांगासर वेलकम करता। भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा दाबोलीम हे प्रत्येक फावटी तुमकां दाबोळी वाठारा भितर वेगवेगळे एक्टिविटीज करता आसतना पार्टीचे काम करता आसतना सदांच दिसता आसतले। त्याच प्रमाणे आमी एक नवो प्रोग्राम घेवन सगळ्या गोंयच्या भुरग्यां मुखार येता, तो म्हटल्यार ऑल गोवा बेंच प्रेस कॉम्पिटिशन। आमी येता त्या 19 तारखेर थॉर जिम फिटनेस तशेंच त्रिशूल स्पोर्ट्स कल्चरल सेंटर आणि ब्रँडन फिटनेस सेंटर यांच्या जोड पावलान ऑल गोवा बेंच प्रेस कॉम्पिटिशन येता त्या 19 तारखेर 8:30 वरांचेर दाबोलीमच्या राजा मंडप म्हटल्यार बोगमाळ रोड जो भितर वयता ते ऑर्गनायज करपाचें आसा। म्हाका सगळ्या गोंयच्या भुरग्यां खातीर जे फिटनेस एन्थुजियास्ट आहा किंवा जे बेंच प्रेस कॉम्पिटिशनान पार्टिसिपेट करतात तेंच्या कडेन मागता की तेंच्यांनी मोठ्या संख्येन या भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चान आयोजीत केल्ल्या या ऑल गोवा बेंच प्रेस कॉम्पिटिशनाक तुम्ही मोठ्या संख्येन पार्टिसिपेट जावचे। त्याच प्रमाणे आमच्या वांगडा आसा सतीश मांद्रेकर सर, सिनियर पावर लिफ्टर, आमचे स्टेट एक्झिक्युटिव्ह मेंबर भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चा अमय सेल, प्रोपरेटर थॉर जिम नवीन नायक, एक्टिंग सरपंच चिकालीम ऐश्वर्या कोरगांवकर आणि सगळे युवा मोर्चाचे दाबोलीम युवा मोर्चाचे सगळे मेंबर्स। हांव मागता सतीश मांद्रेकर हेच्या लागीं कितेंनी फुडले उलोवप करचें।
थँक्यू। So I will take you all to all the categories which we will be conducting the competition. So there would be 3 different categories. As a man's open, so we need to understand man's open would be the category between the age of 18 and above, and all who fall below 18 age would be called as juniors man. Now to make it very simple, those who are born 2000 year and above would be called as junior man category, and those who fall below 2000 means anyone who has born in 1999 and below onwards would be called as an open category. Now there is one condition: 14 years and above only can participate. Anyone who falls below 14 years cannot participate in this competition. So 14 years and above till 18 years would be called as junior, and junior as well as open would be combined. For example, if somebody wants to play in junior category, then he can also participate in open category, but for that he has to register differently. So in our app for registration we have already provided an option. So junior जे कितें selection आसा ते junior select करपाचे, and if he wants to participate in junior as well as open, then he has to select the option junior and open. Third category would be women's. In women's category, again we have not considered junior and open, but it will be only one category where all the women would be participating. Above age 14 all can participate. Okay, this was all about the categories. Now about the prize distribution. We have a prize distribution, team championship as well as runners up in all the categories. There would be men's team championship as well as runners up. There would be men's junior team championship as well as runners up, and also there would be juniors team championship as well as runners up. Now if anyone wants to understand how many participants can be there in any category, there is no restriction. In juniors, n number of participants can participate for a particular team. So same applies for open as well as seniors.
सर आता हे जे तुम्ही कॉम्पिटिशन दवरला हे तुम्ही केन्ना मेरेन लास्ट तुमचे कितें चार्जीस बी आसा एंट्री करपाक जावं लास्ट दीस फॉर्म भरपाक जावं हे करपाक कितले? आमचो जो एप आसा जे आमी फुल गोंयान सर्क्युलेट केला, लास्ट 17 तारीख म्हटल्यार आमी रेजिस्ट्रेशन्स घेतले, लास्ट 17 म्हटल्यार चार्जीस बी आसा ताका म्हणजे तुका एंट्री फी बी कितें आसा? एंट्री फी मार्जिनल 300 रुपीज आमची एंट्री फी दवरल्या आमी. Okay. Now going ahead, any extra prizes astale. In women's category, there would be a prize called as strongest woman, who would be calculated on Wills formula. Wills formula of powerlifting. As per that, we will calculate. So, for example, if anyone falling into category lower to higher, all have the chance to win. Those who lifting highest would not be considered, but as per the Wills formula, where body, weight, and category would also play a major role to win this trophy. This is as per the International Powerlifting Federation. We also have junior strongest man, and along with that we also have open category strongest man trophy. Over and above we also have one more big trophy as a best gym. and also second best gym. Now, best gym of Goa would be considered not on number of medals, but it would be considered number of participants. So this is very, very important. So get most number of participants in your gym. So you have a chance to win best gym of Goa. Lastly, the rules would be as per International Powerlifting Federation, and Aadhaar card with Goan address would be compulsory. So during registration, we would consider your Aadhaar card, and it should have Goan address. And lastly, official weighing. Official weighing would be starting at 9:30 to 10:30 a.m. We would also allow unofficial weighing between 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. So reporting time you can consider as 8:30 or prior, whatever is possible from your end. Any questions?
भारतीय जनता युवा मोर्चान आयोजित केल्ल्या अंडर लिडरशीप ऑफ ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर श्री मोविन गुदिन्हो यांच्या लिडरशिपा खाला हो पूर्ण कार्यक्रम येत्या त्या 19 तारखेर ऑल गोवा बेंच प्रेस चॅम्पियनशीप जसे सरान इन डिटेल तुमकां सांगले तो जावपाचो आसा दाबोली राजा मंडप ह्या जाग्याचेर. सो मागता सगळ्या जिम ओनर्स आहात किंवा जे जिमान वचपी जिम फ्रिक्स आहात त्यांच्या लागीं मागता की तेंच्यांनी मोठ्या संख्येन ह्या कार्यक्रमाक भाग घेवचो आणि आमच्या कार्यक्रमाक सक्सेसफुल जावपाक मदत करची.